social media. Check it and see what their questions are.
Absolutely. All right. First one comes from the Brad Squad member. This is a VIP page, like I said. Well, I used to say, but now if you guys want to throw in your questions anytime throughout the day, all you have to do is go to Facebook and make sure you put in Brad Squad. So it'll be a Brad Squad member. You will become a VIP member. Just press request and we will accept it. All right. So DC, which is a VIP Brad Squad member, says, now that Biden is president, will the I-944 be rescinded or canceled? Will the new proposed changes to AOS be canceled as well?
Well, everything is going to be reviewed, as I said in the schmooze, that they're going to be reviewing all of the poverty guidelines. They made a commission as part of one of his executive orders, and that commission will come back and report to Joe Biden how to change the 944 form, how to change the poverty guidelines. We'll see what the commission comes up with.
Patrick Lewis, who is also a Brad Squad member, asks, is Form DS-5540 public charge still required for consul processing under the Biden-Harris administration?
That is the same thing as the 944, but that is what you file at the U.S. Embassy. As of the moment, yes, it is required.
Okay, Nino, which is another VIP Brad Squad member. My friend has a pending asylum case. Can his daughter overseas apply for a student visa in the U.S.? Is there any law that makes her ineligible?
There's no law that makes her ineligible to apply for the student visa, but my guess would be that they would believe that when she gets a student visa, she's going to come and apply for asylum and would have a hard time getting that and proving that she's going to return to her home country. When you apply for a student visa, you have to show non-immigrant intent, that you intend to return home. The fact that dad already came to the U.S. and applied for asylum would lead an immigration officer or consular officer at the U.S. Embassy to think that the daughter is going to do the same thing. But you can try, but most likely will be denied.
Lisa Ramsey on Facebook, can a green card holder marry within the U.S., then file for that spouse? Would the spouse get a green card and be able to work, or the green card holder would have to be a citizen first?
If the spouse is in legal status, you can file an adjustment. If the spouse is 245I, you can file an adjustment. If the spouse is an arriving alien, you can file an adjustment. Otherwise, you would have to wait on your citizenship or file an I-130, do a provisional waiver, and come back.
Okay, Nova Samaj on YouTube. I received my 2-year green card through marriage, which will expire next month. I recently submitted my I-751 application. Can I apply for citizenship also?
You can apply 2 years, 9 months, 3 days after you got your conditional green card, but they will process your citizenship and I-751 simultaneously.
Letitia Johnson on Facebook, my kids' applications were approved in 2019. Their priority date was August 2018. How long will it take for the embassy in Jamaica to give them an interview?
I don't know if you're a resident or a citizen. I don't know if your kids are over 21 or under 21, or if they're over 21 married. So it all depends. Let's assume that you are a resident and they're under 21. They're eligible now. If you're a resident and they're over 21 and single, about 3 more years. If you're a U.S. citizen, they're over 21 and single, about another 3 years. If you are a U.S. citizen and they are married, about another 8 years, but it'll all change after Joe Biden changes the immigration laws. Let's keep your fingers crossed. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.